Hey guys, NaJae back here with another video. So this time I will be talking about Young Living's promo for the month of January 2020. It's a few items, but some pretty decent freebies this month. So I'm just gonna jump right into them, okay? So if you were to reach 100 PV, you would get a 10 milliliter bottle of peppermint essential oil, and that would save you $22.04. If you were to reach 190 PV, you would get a Roman chamomile, that's 5 milliliter size. You get cinnamon bark vitality, 5 milliliter bottle size, and then the peppermint essential oil, that's 10 milliliter size. And that would save you $108.56 if you were to reach 190 PV. Next one would be if you were to reach 250 PV, you would get clary sage essential oil as a 15 milliliter bottle. You would get Roman chamomile essential oil as a 5 milliliter bottle. You would get cinnamon bark vitality essential oil 5 milliliter bottle, and then a peppermint essential oil 10 milliliter bottle. So if you were to reach 250 PV, you would get those 4 free products on top of the products that you ordered for free. And that will save you $172.70. The last one is 300 PV. You would get a Young Living branded mittens and beanie, and I did see how they look, and they look really cute. I wish I had them right now, but I don't. But they are really cute, and I think it's worth it, because you get to watch, and you get to rock Young Living gear, which are pretty awesome. Clary sage essential oil for 15 milliliter bottle, and that's a good one to diffuse if you're stressed out. So just like Stress Away, if you don't have Stress Away and you like clary sage, or if you don't like the smell of Stress Away but you like clary sage, you can use clary sage and diffuse it in your diffuser while you are stressed out or having a long day. Roman chamomile, you could diffuse this one as well during bad weather. So if you feel like it's kind of like a gloomy day and you're not really feeling like doing much, you can also diffuse Roman chamomile. You can also add it to a face cream for a healthy glowing skin, and then you can for cinnamon bark vitality, you can add it to a mug of tea, or you can add it to your pancakes. I haven't tried that, but those are 2 of Young Living's tips, so I have to try to let you guys know how I like them. And then the last one is the peppermint essential oil. Now this is a limited edition because I don't think Young Living has had peppermint as a 10 milliliter bottle. I think it's either been the 15 or the 5. I don't know if I'm right or wrong, but that's just my guess, but it's pretty cool. Excuse me. And then you can use this in a foot scrub, like kind of a, I don't know, if you're on your feet a lot and you work out, or any type of physical activity that's making your feet hurt, you can use that in a foot rub. The peppermint essential oils are very soothing essential oil. Let's see what else. And so that is it. So if you were to reach 300 PV, you would get 4 oils and a Young Living mittens and beanie. So, and that would save you $227.70. So that's not a bad deal, because if you think about it, buying these individually, you would be spending way more, and that's what Young Living is about. They have you save, and then you get free products on top of free products. So it's a good deal, and you don't have to have the most expensive on your list. You can choose how you want your essential rewards order for the month, and then it comes right out, and then you get whatever, like I said, whatever PV that you reach, you get to get those free products. That is the coolest deal ever. If you have any questions on how to sign up, or even about essential rewards itself, you can leave me a comment down below, or you can message me and I'll get right back to you. But if not, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.